Today is the Eco Living Fair and there's all kinds of things. A lot of interesting information about how to do things differently. And then of course there's also great food stalls, so that's keeping my daughter happy. So it's lovely.
I came along today because I know it's a really innovative day. The children get to do and see a lot and learn a lot about our environment and how we can make everything much nicer, and also really promotes that they're actually out there trying to look after the community.
Our community loves our Eco Living Fair. We're now in our 12th year and we're getting bigger and better. We love putting on events and activities, and it's about empowering the residents.
So it was a good Father's Day event, so I thought this is perfect. My son loves the activities here. We came here last year, it was fantastic, so back again.
So it's important to be part of the community event. We want people to know that BMW are making full electric, environmentally friendly cars. Today has actually been really, really positive.
We're just playing our part in trying to help the environment and trying to encourage everyone to just take a small step in helping the environment.
So everything they can come and see at the Eco Living Fair is about saving energy, saving water, reducing their waste, using less plastic, but we have a take-home message. And that message is really about taking actions and taking steps at their home, in their school or their workplace to reduce their individual impact on the environment wherever they are.
I'm new to Sydney. Randwick is one of the most progressive councils here. I love the stuff that goes on. This little community area, I've been to a few sustainability events. I love the park here. There's bushland that's been converted so you can actually go and enjoy a bit of bush in the middle of Sydney. Yeah, so keep it up, Randwick.